Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I will read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories, but you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. A lion often prowled about a pasture where 3 bulls grazed together. He had tried without success to lure one or the other of them to the edge of the pasture. He had even attempted a direct attack, only to see them form a ring so that from whatever direction he approached, he was met by the horns of one of them. Then a plan began to form in the lion's head. Secretly, he started spreading evil and slanderous reports of one bull against the other. The 3 bulls distrustingly began to avoid one another, and each withdrew to a different part of the pasture to graze. Of course, this was exactly what the lion wanted. One by one, he fell upon the bulls and so made easy prey of them all. The name of the story: The Lion and the Bulls. The moral: united we stand, divided we fall. The second story. One winter's day, when the wind was blowing a gale and the snow was falling fast, a goatherd drove his goats, all white with snow, into a nearby cave for shelter. To his utter surprise, the goatherd found the cave already occupied by a herd of wild goats more numerous than his own. The greedy man, thinking to secure them all, left his own goats to take care of themselves, while he threw the branches which he had brought for them to the wild goats for fodder. When the weather cleared, alas, the goatherd found that his own goats had perished from hunger, while the wild goats were off and away to the hills and woods. The foolish man returned a laughingstock to his neighbors, for he not only had failed to gain the herd of wild goats, but he had lost his own. The name of the story: The Goatherd and the Goats. And the moral: they who neglect the old friends for the sake of new ones are rightly served when they lose both.